morning students. So as you were reading chapter number 15, simple present and simple past. So we have already discussed about simple present and simple past. Okay. So when we talk about daily routine, any facts, any habits, that is simple present tense, and when the action take place in past, that is simple past tense. Today we will learn framing of negative sentence in present tense and in past tense. How we can frame negative sentence in present tense and in past tense. So there are some rules. Negative in the simple present are formed by adding don't or doesn't before the simple form of the verb. Okay, so how we can form negative sentence in present tense? We can add don't or doesn't बिफोर द सिंपल फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. सिंपल वर्ब के सिंपल फॉर्म के पहले हम डोंट और डजंट को ऐड करके उसके नेगेटिव फॉर्म कर सकते हैं. ओके, बट बिफोर यूजिंग ऑफ डोंट एंड डजंट यू हैव टू नो अबाउट सब्जेक्ट and where you have to don't and where you have to doesn't. For subject, I, with I we use don't. So negative sentence we can make I don't eat rice. Okay, with subject you we also use don't and we can framing the negative sentence you don't play cricket. Okay, in subject he, she, it we use doesn't and we can framing the sentence he, she, it doesn't sing. Okay, we और they, subject we और they के साथ हम don't का यूज करते हैं and we can make negative sentence by we और they don't climb mountain. So what you have observed in this table students, we can use don't with I, you, we or they. Only third person singular subject we use, singular subject he, she, it we use doesn't. It means the third person singular subject he, she, it take doesn't and the other take don't. Okay, but what happened in simple past tense? Okay, in simple past tense we use did in place of do or does. Did is the past form of do or does. Do or does का past form did है. So simple past tense में हम negative कैसे frame करते हैं? So we frame negative in past tense by adding did. So only negative did not. Okay, so हम सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में नेगेटिव कैसे फ्रेम करते हैं? ओनली डिड नॉट यूज करके with the first form of verb. We also use when we framing negative sentence, so we use first form of verb. Okay, one thing is also students you have to remember, in past tense, simple past tense, we use second form of verb. In earlier class I have told to you we use second form of verb in past tense, but let you have remember when we are framing negative in past tense, then we use first form of verb with did. ओके, डिड और डिड नॉट. ओके, जब हम पास्ट टेंस में नेगेटिव फ्रेम कर रहे हो सो डिड नॉट के साथ हम वर्ब के फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज करेंगे, क्योंकि डिड के साथ ऑलवेज वर्ब के फर्स्ट फॉर्म ही यूज होते हैं, सेकेंड फॉर्म यूज नहीं होते हैं. ओके, सो व्हेन वी फ्रेम नेगेटिव. Okay students, now let we have learned framing of yes or no questions. But first you have to must know about yes or no question. What is yes or no question? What is the meaning of yes or no question? So in linguistic, yes or no question formally known as polar question or general question. Okay, a question whose whose expected answer is one of two choices. Okay, so that one affirms the question and one that deny the question. Okay, जहाँ पर टू चॉइसेस होते हैं हम क्वेश्चन फ्रेमिंग करते हैं, और जहाँ पर टू चॉइसेस होते हैं वन जो होते हैं वो क्वेश्चन को अफर्म करते हैं, इट मीन्स कि यस में होते हैं, और जो सेकंड होते हैं वो क्वेश्चन को डिनाई करते हैं, इट मीन्स कि नो में आंसर होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ समवन आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन विद यू, ओके, any question with you, if the answer is yes, then you give the answer in yes. If the answer is no, so you give the answer in no. Okay, so that is called yes or no questions. So today we will learn framing yes and no question. So yes and no question are also formed using the auxiliary do, does in simple present tense. Okay, so in simple present tense we use auxiliary do or does. Okay, so to frame such questions the auxiliary is placed before the subject. But when we use auxiliary do or does, we use auxiliary do or does before the subject. Okay, so there are some rules. So according to the subject, let we have learned using of do or does. When the subject I or you, okay, when the subject I or you, we put auxiliary do before the subject. We can make sentence, do I or you eat rice, and then we put a question mark. Why? Because we are framing question. Okay, now does, where we use does, where we use auxiliary does. Okay, when the subject he she it, okay, when the subject he she it, we use does before the subject, and then we can make sentence, does he or she play cricket. Okay, when once again we put a question mark. Do, when the subject is we or they, okay, when the subject is we or they, we use once do auxiliary. Okay, and then we frame the sentence, do we or they climb mountain. Okay, so and then put a question mark. Okay, so that is the rule of framing yes or no question in simple present tense. So what you have observed, we use do with I, you and we, they. Okay, I, you and we, they. Okay, and in third person singular subject he she it, we use does. Okay, when we are framing question also. I have already explained you. When now let me learn framing of WH question. Okay, we have learned yes and no question. Yes or no question use when we putting question to someone, and WH question is also used when we putting question with someone. Okay, but what is WH question? WH question always starts with what, when, where, etc, etc. Okay, so WH question using what, when, where, etc are created by putting the WH word at the beginning. Okay, so at the beginning we use WH question word. Okay, then the auxiliary do does comes next, और उसके बाद जो है do और जो auxiliary है हमारे do और does वो आते हैं. Clear? So now let we see rules of the framing the WH question with different subject. Okay, now sentence is here, I ate. Okay, and we know we use auxiliary do with I, auxiliary do with you, we also. Clear? So now I ate, where how we frame WH word. Okay, what do I eat, what do I eat. Okay, now with you subject, you fight, what do you fight. Okay, he she it swims. Okay, when the subject singular subject he she it, we know we use does. So where does he she it swims. Okay, they sing, when do they sing. And then after framing the WH question we also put a question mark. Okay, so the structure of WH question, framing of WH question is, First we put a WH word, then do does and then verb. Okay. Now in past tense we use past auxiliary did comes next WH word. Okay. So past tense में auxiliary did जो है वो WH word के बाद आता है. Clear? For example, what did I eat? What did you fight? Where did he, she, it swims? And when did they sing? Okay? For example. So now I hope you must have cleared this topic that we see